Good evening once more. So Merry Christmas. We're back to do another video. We done one on Shopify. It wasn't really the greatest. That was direct with Shopify, but this is ecomelites.com. So it's doing it through them, which is really a lot better, I think, because I've got a video. So this is the only blueprint, so the only training you need. I used, not myself, but the company to build an online business. It's your first profitable store in 30 days. Uh, Unlike Shopify, it's giving you easy to follow training. So someone's took the risk with Shopify and then showing you how to do it. So let's listen what this is all about.
What is up, guys? It's Franklin, and I want to thank you for being with me here today. Now, I'm going to take you through a quick video because, frankly, you don't have much time before the price goes up on Ecom Elites. And the reason the price will be going up is because of the insane results we get from this training. Now, the goal inside Ecom Elites is to get you to start your very own online business and get your first profitable store up and running in 30 days. Your first store following my easy to follow training. Now you're here because you want to learn how to start your very own online business efficiently without a large investment, which raises your absolute biggest question. Does Ecom Elites get real results for real everyday people? Now I'm a simple man, guys, and to me actions speak louder than words. So I'm going to show you what others are saying and show you exactly what's going on inside this training. We have Robert. I would buy it now if I were you. Look, I'm from Scotland and I don't even know Franklin personally, but his stuff is great and go for it. Change your life for the better, man. Now, these are testimonials that have been posted inside the Facebook group. Highly recommend. I think it's one of the best investments I've ever made so far. Best $200 I've ever spent. We have more, guys. I have so many. I have folders of these as well. Generally can't recommend Ecom Elites enough. Amazing course. I purchased many 997 courses. This sets a new standard. The Facebook modules alone are worth the money. I have never seen so much content and good support as well for that price. Now to get started, I'm going to take you through module 1 and 2. Start and set up your profitable business. Everything you need to know to get started and show you where you can find the exact products that sell and put them on your store without any upfront cost. That's right, you don't have to pay for the products. Absolutely zero upfront cost for the product. I'm going to show you over the shoulder training and show you how to create your profitable store exactly step by step and how to craft your store to maximize profit. The main focus of these two modules, guys, is to get your store up and running and to get products in your store. And then the next two modules are 3 and 4, Facebook Basic and Advanced Training. I'm going to show you how to create profitable campaigns, guys, for the price of a $5 coffee. Yes, that's right. You can start being profitable on Facebook with as little as $5 single dollars. And I'm going to show you 4 of my personal Facebook strategies that explode sales. And then I'm going to show you over-the-shoulder training to scale your store to the next level. And then if you feel like it, we'll get into a little bit more advanced stuff, and I'll show you how to read Facebook data for complete beginner control, guys. That's the most important thing, is to go in there and read my complete Instagram training system to find people on Instagram who want to promote your product for profit. And once again, these products you are not paying for at all. There's absolutely zero upfront cost. And then we're going to open the traffic floodgates with my Instagram retarget strategy and give you access to my Instagram 100.
So this is some of the modules that you learn. So unlike going through Shopify, you're thinking, what in the world does this kind of do it? You're getting the blueprint, you're getting the training. So Franklin Hatchett, that's really what it's all about. To be honest, it's taking your hand in any of these products. So obviously I'm going to recommend it today. I'm not promoting this myself, but if you're interested in having a store that sells products, you can click this nice button, start building my business. Sure, this was going through another video I've done, but it's a different domain name, but there you go, it's a similar video to, I think it's just, I don't think it is actually, it's just, it's just how he brands the two different packs. It's not, it's just the same product selling points, so that this is what you're getting for the standard, and that's what you're getting with the ultimate, and then you've got the 30-day refund. Is probably using ClickBank for that. Are you ready to get started? Join us now. In fact, it's the same button, to be honest. So it needs to, what if you could start online business, is telling you what's involved and how he can help you. And he's got like the easy steps, so it's all set up for you. It's a coach, a mentor, so these things are really, really important. And it's going through the different modules. It's advanced online education, so it's really, really good, and it's another option to join him. And then he's got the disclaimer, and you can email him, so it's quite open as well. It's a great thing, it's a great product, it's great online training. Is it the best thing in the market? I believe it is. In the description, we've got the best product that you'll ever see, and we hope to see you on the inside. Bye bye for now.